Box TV. So people don't know from what day, but who don't see me and Keisha cause we are going through some things and she said she wants a little break, she wants some time off. So I say, alright, no problem. She say, you know, like, but now work enough money and them things, they see it. So I say, alright, we gonna sign up for Uber. Yo, go sign up for Uber, cause you know boy, please, you know boy, more money. Then I do my Uber thing and I call Keisha and I make sure those say, yo, I have a thing for the side, you know. I have a little bit more money. You want to go out? She said, no. So I run the Uber, I run the Uber, dog, and I call her, she don't answer, dog. Today, I link her, ask her if she want me to come over. She said, no. She ain't at the mood, you know, she don't feel right and all of them something, dog. I'm already Uber, dog. I'm gonna pick up a customer, dog. One brother, dog. I see where we put it, but then I drive, and I drive. Okay, I had the man, I go, dog. Me and the man that talk, you know, dog. Cause you know you have to talk to the customer them sometime and the man that tell me say, yo, what do you meet a girl, dog? I must have kept it over, dog. Every day the girl send a Uber for the man, dog. You see my time turn, run a Ralph, I'm a stop. A Keisha apartment, the man I go dog. Girl, Keisha, hey girl, you pay for man Uber come by your yard, boy. Alright, Keisha. I'm trying to do, I can't deal with this.